Bon. Dispatch, est-ce que ça se la joue manette ou ça se la joue... Ça se la joue comment, là? Ça n'a pas l'air... Mode daltonien, non, non, aperçu sous-titre, ouais, ouais. Action à temps imparti, interactif, oui, cinématique, non, ok. Essai de piratage illimité, non, non, ok, 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 ok. Censure visuelle, voilà. Remplacer la musique sous licence, oui. Non, non. Analyse à distance. Allez, let's go, bébé. Oui, ouais, ouais. Oh là. Activer les éléments visuels tels que la nudité. Ah, je vais mettre ouais, histoire que je me fasse pas... Ouais, je vais mettre cinématique, je pense qu'interactif ça peut être vite chiant en fait. Des actions de merde slide sur ton téléphone, bon. Par contre, profanité, j'ai censuré. Je voulais pas. Profanité, je pense que ça devrait aller. In collaboration with Critical Role.
Obviously, I love him. He's my dad. What does that mean? Just say what you want to say.
It's just, when you add obviously, it feels a little less obvious. So, I'll ask again. How do you really feel about your father? It's as if maybe it's
Ah oui, mon son était affreux, ok. Putain, j'ai pas suivi. Ouais, je le connaissais pas.
Didn't really know him well. He wasn't around much.
Well, you're gonna see him even less now, because he's dead.
Just so sensitive. Listen, if I didn't love him, we wouldn't be here, right?
We don't have to get into it.
Oh, bébé.
No, we're in it now. Why would I be trying to find the man who killed him if I didn't love him? Why would I be doing any of this? Shit. My nose is bleeding. Thought I was getting emotionally snotty.
No, it's probably from when I kicked you in the face.
Yeah, thanks for reminding me. So, here's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna hang you off the side of this building, and you're gonna tell me where Shroud is, or I'm going to drop you to your death.
Come on, I thought we were having a breakthrough.
Hey, we did. You know, for being a real piece of shit, you're pretty easy to talk to, but the only breakthrough I need right now is the location of Shroud.
Shroud.
I'm not telling you shit, you fucking
C'est le méchant dans les
loser.
Tortues Ninja, ça.
See, this is more like how I thought this would be.
I hope Shroud kills you just like he killed your father. I hope he fucking spanks your little daddy as you bitch ass to death, you hear me? Are we outside?
Windy up here tonight, huh?
Why are we outside?
No telling where you'll
It
land.
smells like outside smells. Fuck, 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 wait, wait,
Hey,
wait,
I
wait!
have neighbors. Use your inside voice and just tell me where Shroud is.
Okay, okay, steel mill, Llewellyn Steelworks, okay? Fuck!
You sure about that?
Yes, please, that's all I know!
Stop screaming, goddammit.
Help! Help!
Hey, hey, I will pull you up if
Balance
you
le
quiet
poteau.
the fuck down.
Help!
Au. Ah, balancer, hein.
Sir, if you want something to scream about, I'll give you something to scream about.
No, 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 no!
Ah, poteau, ça rigole pas ici, hein.
You piece of shit!
Hey, I ruined a perfectly good mattress to make sure you didn't die, okay? You're welcome.
Il s'en souviendra. Ouah. Le bonnet est pas hyper stylé quand même. Hein. Dur. Ah, c'est beau. Allez, badaboum. Ah ouais, en mode là, c'était plutôt un QTE, ouais. Oh la raclée. Très fort. Quel streamer l'écoute des viewers? Bah ouais, écoute, hein, j'ai un grand cœur. Il pue sa mère le jeu, il pue sa mère. J'arrête. Alors, le cube. Bup, 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 bap, bup.
Time to finish this.
C'est le code pour activer le nœud. Ah, ok. Ouh. Ah ouais, dur.
And a swish. All right, next one.
Next one. Ah, il faut que je le... Ok. Ok, j'ai le truc.
Just one more.
Et voilà.
All right, got it.
Excellent. Ah ouais. Ouais, j'ai un numéro qui m'appelle.
Hey, can I get a copy of that video and review?
Prépare-toi à mourir.
Because there are some people out there who are gonna want proof that you're dead.
Oh no! Should I update my Wikipedia page?
All this build-up, face to face with your father's killer, and you come in here with that lame shit?
Where the fuck is Shroud?
He'll be here in a bit. Oh, hey! After our conversation, I asked him about your dad.
C'est le boulot qui t'appelle, j'espère que tu
One little
raccroches.
tidbit,
Je réponds
he
pas au
was
téléphone,
very
moi.
well
Je sais pas qui c'est qui
hydrated.
m'appelle.
Turns out, right after Shroud shot him in the chest, your dad pissed his pants. Bet you
Faut
didn't
laisser un
know that,
message.
huh? So, after that bullet tore through his insides, he still had enough
Putain, ils aiment
time
trop
to
parler
know
du daron,
how
là.
absolutely fucked he was.
Ah, je l'ai laissé
He
les tomber,
pissed
je l'ai laissé
himself
tomber.
like a little bitch. It was like so much piss.
Ah,
Your
petit
dad
coup
was
de pied,
wearing
petit coup de pied,
shorts,
allez.
So
Hey.
just kept.
I get it.
Wouh. Pas mal.
Starting to think I didn't need to wait.
Alors, j'ai un message vocal maintenant. Attendez, petite pause. Petite Pause message vocal. Ok, bon, on verra. On verra plus tard. D'abord, c'est le streaming. Je le rappellerai plus tard.
Good mattress to break her fall.
Perfectly good. I assume that cum stain thing
Whoa.
in the dumpster.
Can we just skip to the part where you reveal your bullshit superpower so we can fight?
C'est quoi le super pouvoir? C'est quoi? Je suis un tas de morts. Rah. Ah, ok,
Cool
c'est...
dick. So you got some kind of clever.
Ok, ok,
superpower,
Bitman.
You can call me toxic.
bro.
Heureusement que c'est censuré, hein.
Levels for you.
Yeah, no shit. That's the point.
T'as dû te régaler, toi, sans censure. Ah, et du coup, je vais quand même mettre les... Ah, je peux plus? Oh non, on peut plus? Ah si, bah, je vais mettre l'interactif, du coup, parce que sinon, on va jamais se battre.
Shroud's augments are pretty good when normies like you use them. When you put them on someone who already has powers, fucking chef's kiss.
Il faut que j'appuie au bon moment, ok. Wouhou! Ah putain, il faut lever, ok. C'est bon. Mal indiqué ce jeu. Hein. Alors Bitman, qu'est-ce qu'on fait maintenant? Piou, 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 piou. Wow.
Figures.
Oh non, mais non. Et nous on est juste un gars avec une armure, oui. Trop naze. Ah. Bah là, Bitman coule du lapin, là. Oh non, on est dans une gelée. C'est Mister Marmelade qui nous a eu. Oh non, Bitman, mais qu'est-ce qu'il va faire? Aïe aïe. Oh non, il nous a mis du caca partout. Bah non, on s'est fracassé là. Wesh, on est trop nuls. Le top caca atteint son seuil critique. Non. Shroud! No way! Donc du coup le mec il a juste une grosse bite quoi, Bitman. Sur toutes les images. Même de derrière. Ah non, c'est son cucu derrière. Vous pouvez pas voir le cucu.
So, what do you got left on them shields? I said 40%, but Boss Man says you're down to 28. And he is not wrong about this thing. Good news, buddy.
Tu dois faire des scénarios.
Astral Pulse, which we all know isn't really yours anyway.
Allez, utilise l'ADN
System
maudit.
check. Calculate the damage per second hitting shields. Then tell me how many seconds I need to divert astral pulse energy to rocket boosters.
12.89 seconds of damage before critical.
Oh hey, Bossman says if you're planning on diverting pulse power to the boosters, it won't work. This is a limited time offer, dude.
Eh, je l'ignore, j'en ai rien à foutre, Bitman.
I'm just the messenger here. Says you're not calculating that shit stuck to your leg, dumbass.
Allez, pouvoir de cul.
Hey, great! I'll go to the plan. Now get out of there, babe. Come on!
Down now.
Yeah! Status.
Pulse status stable. Foreign device detected.
Oh non! Le caca! Oh!
Warning. Warning. Warning.
Maybe in the track. Maybe in the mouth. Maybe in the mouth. Quelle ref là.
It was just over 4 months ago that images like this were recorded across the Southland. Videos flooded social media and our newsroom, showing what many thought to be
Bam!
the death of Mecha Man. Again.
Mecha Man!
For nearly 50 years, a Mecha Man has protected Los Angeles.
Ah, c'était le daron Mecha Man.
Built by an ordinary civilian with
Nous, on est
no
Mecha Fils, quoi.
superpowers. This first suit was dubbed by some fans as Mecha Man Prime.
Mecha Man
3
Prime.
generations of pilots,
c'est
their
grand-père.
identities kept secret, have given everything to protect this community, including their lives. After the tragic passing of Prime, the next Mecha Man, known as Astral, teamed up with a star-studded superhero group
Ah ouais,
known
Prime,
as
c'était
the
Papy.
Brave Brigade, leading to an unprecedented period of peace in the Southland. After years of loyal service, tragedy struck again when Shroud, a former Brave
Salaud!
Brigade member turned villain, killed the pilot of Mecha Man in cold blood. But yet again, as hope was
Hop là, attendez. Hop là. C'est quoi ça? Ça en a foutre, ouais. Je vais mettre en haut, ouais.
lost, a third generation of Mecha Man emerged. A Mecha Man for the modern age.
Mecha
A
Man.
bulwark against organized crime in the greater Los Angeles area. Until today. Earlier today, Mecha Man broke his silence and
Ah,
addressed
waouh.
the media.
Qu'est-ce qu'il a dit, Mecha Man? Caca Man plutôt, hein. Oh là là.
There's been a lot of speculation about my health and the state of the Mecha Man suit, and I'm here to put that speculation to rest. The suit has been damaged beyond my ability to repair, so I will be stepping back from superhero work, effective immediately.
Does this mean you're
Oh non!
Prepare your suit!
Mecha
Mean
Man!
your career is
How
over.
badly were you hurt?
One at a time, please.
Ashley Rhiness, San
Pourquoi ce
Pedro
bonnet
Daily.
moche?
Do you have anything to say to your fans? The public outpouring, the vigils, a lot of them were worried you wouldn't wake up.
Dis merci,
I
hein.
just want to say
Voilà.
thank you.
Merci
for
les
your
mecs, hein.
support. I hope to be worthy of it. Next question.
Chris Stratton, Torrance Tribune.
Mais tu vois, t'es Apollo.
Does
C'est
this mean
super
you're retiring
Zulu.
as Mecha Man? Word on the street is you're donezo.
Comment ça, Finito
Are you
Pipo?
100 years old? Why are you talking like that?
Answer the question, buddy boy. Are you retiring?
Bad boy.
My readers need the skinny, and I aim to deliver.
Pas
Let's get it
encore.
on the record.
Look, I'm not retiring. Not yet, at least.
Any idea what you can do without the Mecha Man suit?
T'inquiète.
Not yet.
right, just one more, please. I gotta get back to, just one more. Preferably someone from the Century.
Charles Kingsley, South Bay Signal. So,
Ah, c'est un bâtard, lui,
Shroud
ça se voit.
kills your father, goes to jail 15 years,
Allez.
breaks out, and immediately dupes you into a trap where he destroys the Mecha Man suit and puts you in a coma for months.
Pendant des mois.
I
Wesh.
didn't hear a question there.
Two-parter. First, why didn't Shroud kill you?
Parce que je suis le boss.
You haven't been conscious for months. It'd be easy money taking you out.
Okay, Shroud wanted the Astral Pulse and Mecha Man gone. He got both. I'm not sure I mattered much.
Right. You're
Bah, il est le cœur astral.
unimportant. Which leads me to my next question.
crois pas.
Most heroes avenge their family. You did the opposite. You killed their legacy.
Oh.
How disappointed would your dad be if he were
Mais
here
c'est un
right
ouf, lui.
now? Your father, your grandfather, they must be rolling over in their graves.
Allez, je me barre. Le silence est la meilleure des réponses. Comment ça, tout le monde s'en souviendra? J'allais pas lui attaquer sa grand-mère non plus.
Up next, is Mecha Man a mecha quitter? Yeah, I mean,
Oh.
better if he died than be a mecha
La poule
coward,
mouillée.
You know? What kind of example is he setting? Stay tuned to find out.
Mec à loser. Ah, genre là, ils savent pas que c'est Mechaman. Parce qu'il a pas son masque, alors qu'il a quand même l'ensemble.
Hey, assholes.
Voilà.
Yeah, all you assholes. Pretty disrespectful for you to be doing that in front of me.
Hey, who you calling assholes, asshole?
I'll handle this idiot. Keep loading. We're out of here in 30.
Ah, je crois pas, mon
Who the
gars.
fuck are you?
Moi, je suis Mechaman.
You go
Mecha
fucking
bagarre.
Turbo Ranger? Who the fuck are you?
J'ai plus rien à perdre, je vais te
Right now,
tabasser
I'm
ma
someone
gueule.
with nothing to lose, which is probably bad news for you.
Well, with nothing you have, you're about to lose it.
Ouais, je crois pas, non?
Whatever the case, I'm enough to deal with a pack of fucking Skittles idiots
Bam.
like you.
God damn it. Look, you're hurt. You're not thinking straight. You don't want to fight someone who knows which hand every
Bam.
punch is coming from.
Oh non! Qu'est-ce qu'il nous fait là? Oh non, mais comment ça? Comment ça? Voilà! Comment ça? Mais attends, mais... Il est nul du bras droit, le poteau? Mais méca merde, wesh, comment ça? Qu'est-ce que tu nous fais?
That guy.
Sans le robot, t'es rien.
He landed on the roof, right? Phew. Hi, I'm Blonde Blazer.
Mais non,
I work
horreur!
over at Superhero Dispatch Network.
Hey, hi, yeah, I know who you are. You're like famous.
Oh, I don't know about that. I'm just a corporate hero for hire. You're the real deal.
Et nous, la légende, tu connais, bébé! Tu veux boire quoi? Un verre, bébé? Jusqu'à l'aurore, tu connais.
Famous is the same as famous, but
Oh God, you're
Ah
on.
non, 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 censure le chat.
oh yeah, that's gross.
Yeah, you
Mais
look
comment
like
ça,
some
oui?
kind of mime DJ. Let me see it. I'll help you. Usually dislocates the other way.
Okay, but have you done this before? Because maybe.
Oui.
Okay. Wow, that's okay.
J'imagine que toi, t'as répondu, je dois le faire tout seul.
One of them is on that
Ici,
roof.
respect, respect. Telle la bosse, nous, on est des bouffons, lui. Merci, Aurore.
You look like you could use a drink.
What makes you say that?
Wouhou! Let's go! Oh, la soirée de fou!
Yeah, well, you know what? They can taste the rainbow in jail.
What do you mean? Like different colored dicks? Sorry.
I actually didn't know what I
Quoi
meant.
ce jeu
but
vulgaire,
you know
là?
what? It should have been that.
I'm a little buzzed. I don't really make jokes like that. I think Vizzy's rubbing off on me.
Who?
Someone I work with. It's... yeah.
Dure journée. Oh, la phrase de
I
vraiment...
can't tell which one of us
Le
had the
mec
rough
de bar.
day.
Oh, no, I had a great day. Well, that's not totally true. Oh, you're joking. Sorry. It's fine. Don't worry about keeping up. Something to do with the power.
Tu bois de l'eau, poto, toi,
It takes
qu'est-ce que
a
tu me
lot for me
racontes?
to feel anything.
What a sad sentence.
Il est trop moche, Mechaman. Hein.
You should give yourself more credit to do what you did for as long as you did, especially without superpowers.
Not true. What do you call this?
I can fix that one for you too.
No thanks, I like this one.
Thank you. So, how did you afford all that? You must have spent hundreds of thousands.
Millions. So you'll understand when the check comes.
You're serious?
Mon super pouvoir, être
Yeah, I
riche.
basically burned through my entire inheritance keeping it going. The last couple of years have just been duct tape and sheer determination.
Why did you do it?
Do what?
Sacrifice everything to be a superhero to the point of financial...
Ruin?
I was gonna say hardship, but...
Que les gens en ont
ruin
besoin,
was the first
bébé.
word that came to mind, yeah. You must be completely broke at this point.
Honestly, it's the
C'est
only
la seule
thing
chose
I'm
que je sais
good at.
faire.
Now that's a sad sentence. Come on, that can't be true. I guess it could be true. So, are you drunk yet or what?
Yeah, I should probably switch.
Il a bu une gorgée de bière, qu'est-ce qu'il nous fait le poteau?
Because I was hoping, after some drinks to loosen you up, I could learn a little more about you. And, if all that went well, present you with a proposition.
A proposition?
Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out if this is a fit or not, you know? Then it's just a matter of...
Intriguant.
the right moment.
Tu préfères
Well,
t'asseoir sur une bite et manger le gâteau? T'asseoir sur un gâteau, manger la bite. Ok, la proposition, chef. Oh non, dégueulasse.
God, this is like pure alcohol.
It's not like alcohol, it is alcohol. I know because you spit it directly into my open mouth. That's water. That, see? How it has ice in it?
You drink hard liquor from a pint glass?
Actually, I usually just drink it straight from the bottle, but I thought that would be...
Mec à trou de balle, wesh.
I'm gonna go clean up.
I'm so sorry.
No, it's fine. I will be right back.
Elle a pas dit la proposition.
What are you doing?
Hey, bitch! Hey, talking to you, bitch.
Ouais.
Alright, just so you know, I only turned around because someone yelled, not because I'm a bitch or anything.
Don't you want
Qu'est-ce qu'il veut le professeur de flamenco?
superhero bar?
Oh,
Qu'est-ce
wow,
qu'il nous veut?
are you a superhero? That's so cool.
Danser la salsa.
Is this your power? You're like, tell people obvious shit guy?
Are you really going to act like you don't remember me?
Wait, it's coming back to me. Hold on. Yeah, it's coming back to me. Oh, wait.
Captain Crinière humide, pas mal,
You know
ça l'a
what?
bien envoyé.
You are Mr. Wet Ponytail. Your superpower is then obviously your ponytail, which, aside from being disgusting, has the ability to never not be wet. In battle, you whip it around, and anyone it touches fucking kills himself.
That is... damn.
You good?
Sorry, I choked on my spit.
No, like a bitch. I control the fire.
The fire?
And the flame. And my skin does not burn. I am flambé.
Mets-lui des glaçons dans la gueule.
Wait, oh shit, I do remember you. You're that shitty villain I busted up.
Not anymore, mecha dick. As I literally
Mecha
just said.
dick.
I am Flambe, a real superhero. And you are not Mecha Man anymore. So, you need to get the fuck out of here. Now,
Ouais, l'alcool, il va cramer le
we
poteau,
can
non?
do this the easy way. Fuck.
There. Easy way. You're gonna hit me now, right?
L'alcool, il va cramer le bar. Non, non.
Taking a long time for this.
Ah. Aïe.
Holy shit! What song is that?
La peur de ma vie, avoir une dent pétée comme ça au milieu.
It's whistling. Come on, we should get you to a hospital.
No, Coop. Fucking guy needs a dentist. I've got it on ice. Should be able to reattach it.
Teeth don't work that way. You're thinking of fingers and dicks. You know what? Give it a shot.
Hey, Mecha Dick, get the fuck out of here.
I get it. Can you just tell Blade on the side?
Out!
Relax. I'm leaving.
Il a bu une gorgée de bière.
Hey, I couldn't find you.
It's cool. I was just admiring the art on this dumpster. Can't tell why anyone would put those words together. Why are you holding drinks?
Nightcap?
You're in trouble.
Actually, according to the bartender, that's exactly what you are. What happened in there? I walked
Faire
out
des amis,
and
tu
the bartender's
connais.
pissed. The whole
Je suis là
energy
pour
is
me bagarrer, moi. Je suis quand même un
And I
mechaman.
almost rolled the heck out of my ankle on this slippery floor.
J'ai évité la catastrophe.
A little flare up with some guy, but it, you know, extinguished pretty quick.
A flare-up.
Yeah? Does that not sound convincing enough?
Hold these. I know a place.
You stung.
It's a little out there. Easier if we fly.
Oh non, c'est elle qui vole. Oh non, faut pas dire ça. Faut pas dire ça à l'acteur de Superman. Hein. Aïe aïe aïe. Ouais, t'as vu Catastrophe sur l'interview avec le mec de Wicked. Non, mais c'est vrai que c'est la femme qui vole avec toi. C'est dur d'être masculin et de l'embrasser alors que c'est la femme qui vole et pas l'homme. Allez, allez. Top, top, top. On en a rien à foutre. C'est la masculinité, quoi. Ah, déjà vu la gueule de son film, le Boto, bon.
I actually thought you were
Hollywood!
taking us to sit on it.
Hmm? Oh yeah, that would have been cool. Oh no, yeah, this is better because you can see it, and it looks like there's a couple up there already.
Pardon de t'avoir craché dessus quand
I
même.
know I shouldn't even bring it up because it was mortifying for the both of us, but I am seriously sorry about the whole
Non,
spin.
non, en gros, c'est. En gros, l'acteur de Superman parlait à un acteur de Wicked. Je sais pas ce qu'il fait l'autre dans Wicked. Et en gros, il parlait de la masculinité. Et dans Wicked, dans Wicked, apparemment, il y a un gars, je sais pas, c'est un soldat, il embrasse la sorcière. Mais c'est la sorcière qui vole, tu vois. Donc, elle doit avoir un balai, ou je sais pas où elle vole avec ses pouvoirs. Et donc, c'est elle qui porte le gars en volant et ils s'embrassent. Et l'acteur de Superman était en mode, mais c'est fort parce qu'il faut être masculin en même temps dans ces moments-là. Parce que moi, comme je suis Superman, c'est moi qui emporte Lois Lane, c'est moi qui la porte. Donc, je suis très masculin, c'est l'homme au-dessus de la femme. Et toi, c'est tout ça. Waouh, c'est exceptionnel de garder ta masculinité. Et pourtant, c'est pas toi qui est le personnage qui porte l'autre. Vas-y, nique ta mère, c'est bon. Oh.
Usually like a second date kind of thing with me. I'm joking. I'm joking. This is not a date.
No, totally.
Mais c'est quoi ta proposition, poto?
But yeah, thanks.
Balance, non?
Thank you. Again.
Don't you worry about it, Robert Robertson.
How do you know my name?
Ooh.
What's going on?
Okay, I'll tell you. But only after you tell me how you ended up with a name like that.
Oh, you mean a name like Robert Robertson?
Robert Robertson.
The third? 3 times this happened?
There was Grandpa Bobby, then my dad, who I called Dad, but everyone else called Robbie, and then me, Robert, because I wanted to be taken seriously.
Family tradition.
In more ways than one. Gramps was the first Mecha Man. He died in the suit before I was born. Dad was killed fighting Shroud. That's when I took over. There was a little inheritance and the life insurance money.
Comme par hasard, l'assurance vie.
I'm so sorry. I didn't realize.
Just your run-of-the-mill, sad superhero origin story. The family tradition, if there is one, is dying in that suit. Which I guess I don't have to worry about anymore. What is it?
I'm not quite drunk enough to share my origin story just yet, but remind me to tell you someday.
Ah, ça te rappelait, t'inquiète,
Definitely.
poto. C'est quoi la proposition? Je sais toujours pas. Et son casque, il est affreux. Hein.
We can work with this.
T'enlèves pas ton masque, toi? Vas-y, vas-y, c'est bon, vas-y, embrasse-la, allez, allez. Ah, il s'en souviendra.
This. I'm sorry if I gave the wrong impression.
Oh no.
It's my fault.
I'm so sorry. I totally
Non.
misread that.
Agresseur sexuel.
You did. But I definitely... The way I went about things tonight, I'm sorry. It was all a little loose, a little unprofessional.
Unprofessional.
Regarde. Quand elle portera plainte.
To this,
I'm actually here on official business. How I know your name, the proposition I mentioned right before you spit in my mouth.
still mortified about that.
It's fine.
On le savait, mais vas-y.
Superhero named Trackstar?
Remember,
Bolide.
of course, he's like family that I haven't talked to in a while.
Il est dead mort, le
What
poteau.
about him?
I work with him at SDN.
Ah non, ok.
He recommended you. Mentioned that he worked with your father.
Elle veut.
Yeah, he was the youngest member of the Brave Brigade, so he was kind of my babysitter for a while. How's he doing?
He's doing great. He's why I'm here. Robert, I would like to make you an offer. In exchange for dispatching and mentoring some of our rookie heroes, SDN can make you Mecha Man again. But this time with all the resources that a company as big as ours has at their disposal.
Ah ouais, y a de l'oseille.
No more paying out of pocket for repairs.
Oh.
Support staff, the whole shebang.
Mon armure est détruite.
Was totally destroyed.
I saw the report, studied the footage. It's not totally destroyed, just mostly. It's a big investment. It'll take considerable time and money to get the suit repaired and the missing pieces replaced. Plenty of time to learn how to dispatch and level up some of the heroes on our roster.
Dispatch!
Your experience, your work ethic, your perspective, it's all invaluable.
Ah, réel.
Share it, Robert.
Et si je refuse, tu fais quoi,
We have a
poto?
lot left to give.
And what if I say no?
Then I'll hate
Le jeu
you
se
forever.
termine.
And I'll push you off this billboard.
Wow.
Yeah.
And no one would suspect a thing.
Nope, not a one.
Porte plainte. Bah, je peux porter plainte, là.
What's that even?
Mise à mort, là.
Oh, right. I was supposed to test you at the bar. Here.
Drunk people shouldn't be throwing things at drunk people.
Noted.
Am I waiting or are you waiting? What's going
It
on?
was supposed to open up when I threw it to you. Okay, there. Pop it on. This is part of
Ouah, ça met un Oculus
And
au-dessus
don't move
du
too much
sol.
in there. You're sitting on the edge of the billboard.
Bienvenue agent du SVH. Bonjour et bienvenue dans cette simulation. Nos super-héros ne sortent rien sans notre agent au SVH. C'est grâce à lui qu'on sauve des vies.
The Dispatcher. So, Dispatcher, where do we start?
Allez, on va dispatcher des gens.
Well. it
Oh, un
appears
appel.
I saw some scary, suspicious men last night leaving the old movie theater.
You'll
Appel.
receive requirements to help you determine which heroes to send.
Ah oui.
Such an array of... This graph will show you what a
Ok,
hero
j'ai.
with a knack...
Ok,
That
j'ai.
sounds like me.
Oh, phénoménal.
Now that at least
Wouhou.
one hero is being dispatched, it's time to get to work. I
Allez.
am on the way.
Boum, boum, boum.
I will now return to SD. When a hero returns to SDN, they'll need some...
Ok, bah repose-toi, bébé.
Don't forget to review your heroes. On SDN's state-of-the-art graph, we can
Okay.
see an analysis of what... Let's see how
Oh, la
well I do
bagarre.
to There's
Bravo.
no such thing as a perfect fit. The more that my skills align with the need... Organized criminals, often led by figurehead supervillains, are the scourge of Southern
Un
California.
nouvel appel!
We work tirelessly to root them
Enquête au
out.
dortoir. Apparemment, il y aurait une planque de méchants sur le campus, mais non, il faut un enquêteur ou une enquêtrice. Quelqu'un avec un cerveau un peu savant. Je peux en mettre un deuxième, on sait jamais. On va en mettre 2 carrément. Avec beau parleur, comme ça, les 2 ils vont être bons. Ah bah merci. Allez-y les amis. Wouhou! Let's go! Affaire classée. Non, une nouvelle mission.
The museum is doing an exhibit on local superheroes and need a guest speaker.
Ah ouais, mais du coup, il est parti. Aïe, aïe, aïe. Attends. Attends, hein. Il y en a, il se repose là. Attends, encore un peu, hein. Allez, attends encore un peu, hein. Encore un petit peu, hein. Allez, et c'est à toi, beau parleur.
For you, baby, anything.
Eh ben vas-y, poteau.
One of your heroes needs you
Oh
as
non.
their leader. Your heroes will look to you.
faire
Make
des
choices and follow where they lead.
Oh, elle est pas dedans, c'est un peu dur. Des blagues ou un point culture. Bah, des petites blagues. Wouhou!
These choices need the right skill. Remember each.
Oh non, une nouvelle mission! Oh, une deuxième mission! Qu'on se fait une deuxième mission!
A convoy of Diablo's goons are harrying the highway patrol.
Oh non, il faut intercepter les accablés en les attaquant sans relâche. Et ben, on va mettre un mec qui va attaquer.
Speaking of traffic and going places, does SDN
Allez, toi,
offer
va
paid
là-bas.
time off to take vacations?
Of course.
Le diabolique et le diablo s'en prend à l'hôpital. Il faut protéger et arrêter les
Use it
méchants.
however you like, as long as you discuss your schedule with your manager well in advance.
What the fuck is a PTO?
Et l'autre mission, c'est quoi? Attaquer les monstres.
attacking downtown.
Et nous, détourner l'attention. Me peut pas mal. Encaisser les attaques. Et ben, on va encaisser les attaques.
Stopping power.
Vas-y, je vais tout mettre. Et je vais mettre la totale pour lui. Allez, et on va pouvoir en mettre 2 du coup. On va voir si ça va marcher. Allez. Ah bon, bah, on va attendre en fait. Oh ouais, il y en a de la mission. Je m'as mis à traverser, j'ai besoin d'aide pour aller à mon rendez-vous médical. Dépêchez. Eh bah, ouais, ça va, elle va pouvoir le faire quand même.
The smart choice.
SDN values work-life balance. When the bell.
C'est l'heure de la pause. Qu'est-ce qui s'est passé, lui? Ça a été bon. Hop. Allez. Oh non! Comment ça? Oh non! Elle a perdu. Et toi, l'attaque de monstre. Ah ouais, bon, là, voilà.
Yes, 10's across the board.
Bon, la mamie, on l'a aidé à traverser, quand même. Ils vont dire qu'elle est morte, la grand-mère. Ça va, non? Ah, elle a dit, elle est pas morte, la mamie, ça y est, n'importe qui aurait pu le
SDN
faire.
solves all problems, big and small. We never ignore the people of the city, particularly the elderly.
Speaking of retirement, quick question.
Allez,
Phenomenon,
on attend
does
encore un peu à
SDN
la
offer
fin.
401k matching?
Yes, but there are limitations. Your
Ok,
HR
on retient en otage, on
will
est quelqu'un,
have
alors il nous faut donc quelqu'un qui parle bien. Ok.
Battery will get you everywhere.
Ah, elle dort, la savante, dommage, bon. Et en même temps, il nous faut lui.
Exactly right.
Et en même temps... ils sont bons tous les deux, là, quand même.
Oh, if these streets could talk.
Allez-y, les amis. Résultat, ils sont tous morts. Oui, voilà, allez, top.
What can I say? A lot, actually.
Our
Bravo, les
shift
amis.
is done now. It is time for lunch.
We
Ah, ça
couldn't
va
have
grave,
done it without
allez,
you,
vas-y.
dispatcher.
Too true.
I'm going to enhance my break time with some of the snack offerings in our break room vending machines.
Great idea. Thank you again, Dispatcher.
À bientôt, les amis.
I hope to be seeing a lot more of you. Goodbye for now, and don't forget to be phenomenal.
Did he just say
Phenomenal.
phenomenal? That felt pretty natural to me. And that it's natural for me to end up mid-tier, that said, for a first time.
Ouais, chez Eldor, la poteau, qu'est-ce qu'elle nous fait là? On peut porter plainte, hein.
Did I drool on you?
I don't think so.
Well, you see why we thought of... Well, why Trackstar thought of you.
It makes sense, yeah.
Et comment on descend?
Meet me at the SDN offices tomorrow. I'm not done saving you yet.
Et comment on descend, nous? Allô? Allô, allô? Comment on descend?
Is there a ladder, or...
Bébé! Oh bébé,
Sorry, I'm
trop
late.
beau bébé. « 0404. Oh, ça va le donner à craille, bébé.
The folks at SDN are the best in the business, and we're striving to create a safer, stronger city every
I
single
met a nice lady.
The folks who live here have to deal with a lot.
She wants to help
Mec,
us
t'as
out.
pas une télé, poteau? Mec, à man, wesh. Wouhou! Let's go! Et voilà, on a fini le jeu. Putain, c'était pas très long. C'est sympa, hein? Bah écoute. Merci pour ce petit live d'une heure, hein. Arial. Charles Malcolm. Ah non, non, mais c'est un épisode par jour. Hein. Là, c'est terminé, là. J'ai vu, il y en a 8, je crois, des épisodes. S'il y en a 8, c'est pas mal, ça doit le faire. Ah putain, j'ai pas... Ah oui, les choix. Oh! Alors... Ah. Oh, on a réussi de justesse, qu'est-ce qu'il me raconte, le poteau? Par contre, les stats sont fausses, hein. Comme mon jeu n'est pas lié à Internet, les stats sont pas vraies. Parce qu'ils m'ont donné une clé spéciale qui est pas liée à Internet. Hein.
Unexpected things happen
Fais-moi
every day.
mal!
Phenomenon! Can SDN help me out with this? It's blocking the driveway.
Oh, merci.
You can count on SDN to help lift the burdens life throws at us. Let SDN be your rock, so you can rock.
Pas mal.
She's definitely not making it to band practice.
Yeah, well, yeah. Wait, what's that?
No, just the commercial. It was weird.
Weird. Yeah, right. Put mom into my man. He's like a rock star. It's I'm joking, cause of the rock and the roll. Cool commercial. I'm a fan, you might say. You could say that.
Pas un super acteur.
He's not the best actor though, which was important for that commercial to be less weird.
He is the best actor. Well, acting when there's danger. I think if the whole world is a play, then he's still awesome.
Can't argue that.
God.
That's not right. That is not right. That is... Yep.
Just...
Yeah.
Okay, let me help you.
Oh, no,
with
no, not necessary. I'm sure I...
It's soaked. You nervous? Big job interview?
No, I mean, yes, but yes is more... My powers make everything wet, moist. Water boy is how they call me, but yes, I am.
Water boys. Oh no! Oh no! Do.
Oh, okay. Oh. Now that your face is next aside of my face, I see that I know you, of you. You're Mecha Man.
Évidemment, tu me connais, poto.
You're dead, I thought.
Just on the inside.
You, look small or different in person.
Never meet your heroes, kid.
Oh, wasn't sure you'd show up.
Oh, wow. Blazer, Juan, a real hero.
Oh, sorry, but I need him for something. Follow me.
Ah, tu connais, poto, hein? Sur un autre ton, par contre.
Take your clothes off.
What's happening right now?
We don't want too many people knowing you're Mecha Man. A lot of our dispatchers are former
Mecha
heroes,
Man!
but it's better if you keep your identity a secret. We've had incidents in the past. Here. I remembered you being
Ok, alors attends, 2 secondes, je dois... Qu'est-ce qu'on ferait pas?
bigger. I was a little drunk.
Comment ça? J'étais plus grand, comment ça? Wesh?
I've never felt
1m88,
silly
hein.
wearing this.
Until now.
Yeah, I was trying to imply that with the silence.
It worked. Get dressed. I have somebody I need you to meet. Oh, sorry. Should I turn around? Or what do you...
Ah, bébé, comme tu veux, hein.
Close my eyes, maybe? If that makes you more comfortable.
Well, this
Du
might be the
harcèlement.
best HR violation
Bam,
in
dans ta
employee
gueule.
history.
Yeah, I'll actually... Yeah, I'm just gonna... There.
Comment ça?
It
Ouais.
doesn't look like it, but I am
Attention, hein.
flexing every muscle in my body right now.
Really?
Okay, well, you didn't have to say it like that.
I want to say again, I'm sorry about
Oh là
last
là,
night.
le corps de zinzin, le poteau.
Regret
Oh,
the
les
way I conducted
griffes.
myself. It was a mistake. A complicated mistake. I can go into the details of those complications with you
Ça
later.
avait pas l'air d'une erreur.
Didn't feel like a mistake.
Ah ouais.
At least not to me.
Well, that makes one of us.
It was a nice night. Nothing more than that.
Yeah, I'd like to keep things professional.
Right, that's why you brought me to this conference room to strip down in front of you. Profesh.
Are you serious?
Il y a un chercheur, tu connais. Oh wesh. Comment ça?
Who locks a conference room? So, you two fuck or what?
We kissed, but it was very innocent.
Like cheek innocent or tip of your dick innocent?
Oh là
Okay,
là, mais
stop.
qu'est-ce que c'est que
First
ça
of
là?
all, we did not kiss. You kissed me. Second of all, it's none of your freaking business.
Whoa, she cussed. Must have been a good one.
Robert, this is Invisigal.
Invisible meuf, prends le blast de merde.
We take former supervillains, such as herself, and
La meuf
rehabilitate
invisible.
them to re-enter society to use their powers for... Are those my earrings?
Well, they look better on me.
Invisigal, this is Robert. He'll be your team's dispatcher.
A washed-up dad bod superhero with no superpowers. Can't wait.
His identity, all of this, that's staying between us. He's still Mecha Man, but that can't get out. And if it does, I'll know who it came from.
You think I want to tell people our dispatcher's a fucking
Ah, je suis là pour aider, tu connais.
Look, I'm here to help. It's what I do. You have a chance to turn things around, bring some good into the world, and I'll support you in whatever way possible. So that maybe, just maybe, by the end of all of this, helping people is what you do too.
Well, I'm wet. I see why you like him. Look at that trip. What does that look? Best Buy Fight Club? Fucking hot.
We have a weekly ranking list for all the heroes in the company.
And she's at the bottom.
She called herself Invisibitch when she was a villain.
Pas mal,
I tried to
Invisible.
rebrand her.
Yeah.
Invisibitch, j'aime bien.
Kind of corny for her.
Oh yeah? The name was my idea. Just get your shirt on, Dad Bod.
Pue sa mère, Invisimeuf. Désolé, poto, le blaze est naze. Hein. Loser.
This is SDN. How can we help you?
We're not the highest profile branch in the network, but we've got what makes the real difference. Great people. Some of them aren't even people, and they're still great.
La femme
One of the
invisible.
3 copiers on this floor. Fax,
Oh, la meuf
scans,
invisible, même ça, hein.
literally everything. Documentation.
Qu'est-ce qu'il dit que c'est une femme?
At SDN, there tends to be a healthy amount of paperwork. I used to call it triple D's, but I was informed that heading
Triple D?
3 Ds?
dispatching, documentation, diversity is the 3rd. Not in terms of priority, of course. Yep, we're all about diversity. Lana works in the mailroom. From a different galaxy altogether. And
C'est un hélicoptère de combat
back
XD.
there, born with super.
Et allez.
He's from
Toi, t'es bonne.
Florida, of course. Florida man over there. Hey, easy on the bath salts.
That was one guy.
Hey, speaking of bath, where is the,
Oh, need a bio break?
Excuse me?
Restroom. I mean, it's right over there. Sorry. At work, I tend to get a little
Corny?
corporate, Dick. Meet me in the records room when you're done. If you get lost, look for the door that says records room.
Doom, doom, chum.
Bruh, I almost
Mais non,
threw your
Dwayne
pants.
Johnson.
Hey, you this Robert people talking about? What's up, brother? My auntie named me Roy, but people call me Roy.
Ah, ça check, tu connais mon gars, wesh.
Right. Good to meet you, bruh.
Likewise. So Royd, like steroid?
Ooh.
Huh? Hell no, brother. No, cuz. Listen. Get 3 other guys here that go by the name Roy. So I think it's like, we go scrap, we go ground, I boss you up, and then, you got Roy. You know what I'm saying, bro? That's what I think.
Non, t'es le meilleur Roy, je pense.
Hey, you think that's why they call me Roy? Like I'm on steroids.
Mais
But
non.
they think I'm some kind of a juice head? They think I'm not natty, bro?
C'est une blague. Oh.
They think Roy's not natty.
No, I'm just kidding, man. Just making jokes about your name.
Bah ouais,
And
tu
the
connais. On est des petits rigolos, nous.
Whatever. I don't care.
That's, yeah, Nokia is probably best. Nice meeting you, Royd, even if it was while we were both holding our dicks.
You one funny bugger. Mecha man.
Et tout le monde sait qui c'est, en fait.
Okay, so I was worried about your unwashed hand, but now I'm worried that everyone here knows who I am.
Nah, brother. It's Kapu. Need to know basis, and Roy need to know. I don't want to come pick up your soup or fix them for the SDN.
Cool. You gonna wash before you do that?
Nah, bro. I never touch nothing. Just touch my pants and underwear only. Even for shake, I just do like this.
Bah, comme tout le monde. Wesh, normal, non?
Can you show me again? I don't think I got it.
Record room!
Holy shit, who's this freckle-faced fuck? How are you?
That's an aggressive way to greet
Wesh, Albert Einstein,
someone.
qu'est-ce qu'il veut?
Look at this skinny latte prick. Your bones, kid. You here to whip these assholes into shape or what?
That's the idea.
I'm sorry, do I know you? Why you all tense? What? It's a hug, not a hand job. Lighten up.
Be that as it may.
Oh, cette vulgarité perpétuelle.
Oh, right. Because I'm old as shit. How about this? This jog your memory?
Wesh, McFly.
Holy shit. Yeah, you fucker. Why are you accepting hugs from old men you don't know? Oh, and hey, they call me Chase around here, so keep it,
Sure, right. Yeah, Chase.
It's been what, 10, 15 years?
Has it really been that long?
Yeah, I reached out to this little pissant when his dad passed. Then he got to ducking me like he owed me money.
I was in a weird place.
I understand, kid. It was tough on all of us, so I can't imagine what you went through.
Yeah, so what's up? You gonna tell me why you look like Black Einstein?
Sorry.
Je fais la blague avant. Tranquille.
Fucker. It's the powers. I can move 50 times faster than the average person, but I didn't realize until it was too late. And I was aging 50 times faster when I used my powers. Nowadays, I'm moving slower than frozen piss to keep the old ticker from popping on me.
I had no idea. I'm so sorry, Chase.
Hey, if I feel another ounce of pity from you, I will run you over in a parking lot and say it was an
Oh là,
accident.
t'as acheté le N-word de ta blague. Jamais de la vie.
Because it looks like I'm
Je sais même pas c'est quoi le N-word, c'est quoi?
So I guess this means you're the one
Neuil, Neuil, c'est un œil.
about losing my suit.
You better not. I would resurrect and re-kill your fucking father in front of you if it meant being able to use my powers again.
Jesus, Chase.
Wow.
What? Obviously, I'd let Robert have one last "I love you" before I extinguished the light from his eyes.
Was he always like this?
Yes, actually.
We joke, we laugh, we suppress our trauma. All right, enough of this feeling
Vas-y,
shit.
Chase.
Let's introduce you to your team of losers.
Oh, les losers. Bip boop bip.
Now, if I'm being honest, I thought and still think we should have canned these tunas months ago.
And you might get your wish. Because if we don't see improvement soon, the whole program will be scrapped.
Cool. No pressure.
Ok, ouais.
Sonar here was a
Sonar.
Harvard graduate
Who will not
Elle est
shut the
moche.
fuck up about being a Harvard graduate like all Harvard graduates.
who also orchestrated some of the most effective Silicon Valley investment frauds in U.S. history.
Also, sometimes he transforms into a fucking bat monster that would eat you ass first after he emptied your pension plan.
Ah oui, ok, on peut le transformer. Pas mal, j'aime bien. Oh non!
Controls the fire and the flame, and his skin does not burn.
Right, you met him. Didn't you ever run in with him years back?
I did. Yeah.
So you know he's a certifiable dickhead.
C'est un trou du cul, lui, du coup. Let's go! Ça, c'est la meilleure.
Turned herself in a few months ago and entered the program on the
27 ans, wesh, la vieille dame.
to ask questions.
That's a little suspicious, no?
Suspicious? Really?
Uniquement en
A criminal
retenant
who
son
turns
souffle
invisible and doesn't like to
asthmatique.
answer questions? What
Hop.
tipped you off, Sherlock?
Here we have coupe, which I recently learned is a French ballet term that means to cut, hence the knives.
That's very clever.
Yeah, but it sounds dumb to say, so everybody calls her Coop. She was an assassin for the mob, then went independent.
Ok, assassin, j'aime bien.
Punch up.
Oh non!
Carnival's strong man who made a deal with a sorceress. She gave him the strength of 10 men. His muscles grew, but his body shrunk.
He's got all the charm and brains of a greasy bowling ball.
Ok.
Malevola, terrifying. She's got a magic sword, and she creates portals that allow her to teleport.
Ah, ça, on
Somehow
attend.
she's still late for every fucking meeting.
Yeah,
Ok, c'est un semi-démon, ok.
That's Golem.
Oh,
He's
Golem!
a construct.
A construct?
Yeah, bunch of dirt and mud made sentient with magic. I think he's lonely.
Ok.
Michigan born and raised. The
Rockstar,
power is
illusionniste,
He
ok.
weaponizes light rays or some shit. A lot of this stuff is a guess.
Why does she dress like a pop star?
She's actually super talented.
Wait, so
Ok, pas mal.
C team, my team, their Phoenix program?
That is correct.
Your own motley crew of dangerous fuck-ups.
We're not looking for miracles, but we'd love one if we could get it.
Ah, c'est une vraie rappeuse, ah
Can you
ouais?
show him his desk?
Sure.
J'avoue, est-ce que les voix sont connues?
What's that arm squeeze about?
You want one? Here.
Fuck off. This is you. Pretty sparse, but feel free to decorate.
Ah oui, déjà, nous, c'est Aaron Paul, ok. Putain, marrant que ce soit Aaron Paul. Ok, j'ai.
This computer's older than you look. Wait, so we're doing this? I haven't even met the team yet.
We did the slideshow.
First of all, that wasn't a slideshow.
Look, we like to start slow. Most people don't make it past the first dispatch. And this is better for everybody's safety.
What do you mean, safety?
You'll be fine. And this here is our little slice of the Southland. Whenever there's a crisis in the area, we get a call, and guess who answers?
Me.
Exactly. Now put your headset on
Okay.
and introduce yourself to these pricks.
Hey, team. This is your
Hey, team,
dispatcher,
Robert Robertson.
I'm starting my first shift.
Ish.
Tell me that's not your real first name, bitch. You can't be this shook on your first day. Come on.
Can we clear the channel, please? There's a lot of overlapping on this.
I saw him in his underwear.
Who? Roberto's son?
I saw him in his underwear.
He back in mine!
Oh, but he's got a lot of bruises, which I'm into.
Again, please clear the channel.
Get it, your email.
Shut the fuck up. Let me remind you, these
On l'a bien
calls
dit,
are fucking
poto.
recorded for training fucking purposes. So keep the fucking line clear before we send your stupid fucking asses back to whatever fucking cell we pulled your stupid fucking asses out of. Alright?
Une mission!
My son's balloon
Un
is
ballon
stuck
perdu.
in a tree. Can you
Ouais.
send someone?
Ne pas faire pleurer l'enfant. Grimper un arbre. Bon, bah, qui peut grimper un arbre sans faire pleurer? Qui est pas... En fait, elle va être chiante, quoi, mais elle va faire chialer l'enfant. Lui, il va faire peur. Lui, il est chiant. Ah, j'ai envie de l'envoyer. Allez. Mais là, elle va le faire pleurer.
Trust me, I can handle this a lot faster on my own.
Ouais, ok, réduit le temps de trajet et le temps de complétion. Ok. Ok, tout seul, c'est la bosse.
Mr. Vanderstank is requesting a hero for a very important event.
Très médiatisé, une bonne image, ok.
Certified genius. Literally, he has a certificate.
You aren't a genius if you need
Elle est pas mal.
you're a genius.
You're just jealous. This guy rules.
Ouais, elle a du cerveau, elle parle, allez.
Okay, going.
En plus, elle est stylée.
I'll take Wednesday.
Tuesday. Dibs on Monday.
What are you guys talking about?
We're taking bets on when you'll quit.
Friday?
Today's Friday.
I know.
Bravo! Oh, bidet fou! Non, mon bidet éclabousse partout! Qu'est-ce qu'il faut faire? Pirater. Ok.
My bad.
Ah, pardon. Ah, c'est plus chiant avec le stick.
Let's see if I can do this.
Faut écouter la conversation, des fois ça aide. Par exemple, la mission de la rappeuse Sonar a dit qu'il était fan du mec de la mission.
Nailed it.
Let's go! Mais sauf que Sonar il est moche, donc force à lui, mais... Ok, j'ai capté.
Out of my bar before they destroy it. And don't send the flaming
Eh ben, on va envoyer le connard enflammé, pourtant.
Mecha Man.
And he kicked
Mecha Man!
Okay. That little shit did not kick my ass.
Ok, donc lui, il est pas con, il a de la défense,
Yeah,
on est bien.
I think I heard about that.
No,
Et après, est-ce que j'en envoie un deuxième
happen, Bob. So we're all going to shut up about it. Yeah? Okay.
You look different.
Sur une mission, certains emplacements peuvent conférer plus 2 à une stat et moins 1 quand le golem est assigné. Ok. C'est-à-dire là, si j'en mets un troisième, j'ai moins 1 Non, je vais t'envoyer, j'ai pas besoin. Ou même si j'en mets que 2, ok, ouais. Alors, est-ce que t'es bon, toi? Wouhou. Top.
What's this guy even famous for? Seemed like a loser to me.
Laugh all you want. Someday, my subconscious will live on in a chip. In your subconscious, you'll be
Allez.
dead. Cringe.
Les idiots se battent pour le nom de Fightman. Des idées de nouveaux noms pourraient régler ça. Ok. De devenir un duo, ouais, des noms débiles, des noms qui déchirent. Ouais, ils peuvent être un duo en vrai. Qu'est-ce qu'ils nous font chier? Et bah voilà. Les Fightman, voilà. C'est ça qu'on aime, nous. Ok, vol au club nautique. Ok, récupérer le bateau, restituer en un seul morceau, poursuivre les voleurs. Malheureusement, encore une fois... Ok. Après, elle, c'est une ancienne voleuse et tout, quand même. Bon, elle, c'est plus impossible. Coupé, elle va poursuivre rapidos, quand même, elle vole, la meuf.
Washed up, drinking alone, a robot guy with
Ça y est.
So, just a guy?
Hear that, Flambe? You got your ass kicked by just a guy.
All of
Bam.
you, shut the fuck up.
Bouffon, va. Qu'est-ce qu'il fait, le poteau? On t'a rien demandé, poteau, hein. Oh non! Quoi?
You saw nothing.
Pas assez de défense, ça y est. Elle est trop nulle. Oh non, mais qu'est-ce qu'il a fait, par contre Oh là là, mais quel trou du cul.
Did you start that fire?
No.
The fire that's burning 2 blocks from where you're standing. You didn't start that.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know what you're talking about. I'm on break, so how could I know?
Ugh, Flambe, stop fucking around. I've got enough problems without you making
Trou
new
du
ones.
cul, hein.
Whatever, man.
Je sais pas quoi faire. Les cambriolages, système de sécurité, éviter les capteurs de mouvement en prenant des bombes. Bah... Le poteau, ça va y aller, hein.
Fine, I'm going.
Parce que j'ai besoin d'un deuxième, en vrai. Sonar, Ah, j'ai envoyé Sonar en plus.
Sure.
J'ai pas bougé tout à l'heure. Oh, le SDH qui emploie des criminels pour nous protéger. Ah. Bah, qui a un ancien criminel là? Attends. Je peux peut-être. Je peux pas voir?
Denny the Bone Zone Diaz here. Today's topic is all about SDN hiring criminals to protect us?
Fucker
said I was pregnant. Hell no.
Cambriolage. Comment éviter les capteurs? On va les pirater, mais vas-y, mais elle était invisible la poteau, elle peut pas aller... Elle peut pas nous faire un petit truc? Hop. Oh, ça marche pas? Let's go! Ah, voilà.
It's me again, Galen.
On m'a demandé de te montrer les ficelles, alors voilà, ok.
Hey, hero ranked up. Good job.
Ouh, consulte la base de données. Ah putain, mais non, en fait, c'est la mauvaise touche que je fais depuis tout à l'heure, je suis trop bête. Amélioration. Sur les compétences qui permettent d'augmenter les stats. Ok, utilise le plus, évidemment. Ok. Mobilité, ouais, j'ai envie d'une meuf hyper... moi, ça va être Madame Mobile, elle.
Okay, what's going on, Sonar?
Sonar se transforme en revenant d'une mission et inverse ses rôles. Intelligence avec combat et charisme avec vigueur. Ok, c'est ça.
Randomly.
We are working on controlling it.
Ton corps, en vrai, non? Qu'est-ce qui me fait le poteau, là? C'est de l'argile. Il va y aller, hein? Ah ouais? Ok, vigueur, c'est... Ouais, ça, c'est Monsieur Défense, hein. Le gros patapouf, là.
We've encountered these thieves before.
Déjà eu assez... compiler, croiser, localiser les membres connus pour trouver leur plan. Ouais, je vais mettre les deux meufs.
Oh, yes, sir.
Ok. Pour les missions à 2 emplacements, couper gagne +1 en combat, c'est sur le premier emplacement. Et en mobilité, c'est sur le second. Eh bah, tu vas aller sur le second.
I
C'est
think I'm
parfait.
liking this benevolent devil vibe.
Est-ce qu'elle a éduqué un peu là? Ah ouais, elle a éduqué un peu.
Okay, I know y'all saw that. Don't be jealous. It's okay.
Ok, j'aime bien. Toum toum taroum taroum toum. Bon là normalement c'est un succès quand même les mecs, non? Enfin, les meufs, oui, bon voilà. Allez.
Hey,
Et
Bobby.
j'imagine que les compétences c'est
Here, William
partagé
Vander
d'XP quand ils
speaking to
sont deux.
security detail. Is it cool if I go? Been wanting to pitch him some stuff I've been working on.
Yeah, pretty sure that's exactly what he's trying to avoid.
Vas-y, vas-y, mais même si t'es en... Il va faire peur quand même, je pense, mais vas-y. Hein. Allez, allez.
Sure.
Il va peut-être lui
Go
faire
ahead.
peur, mais vas-y,
Thanks,
chef.
man. You will not regret this.
Well, I didn't think I would until you said that.
Ouais. Un gamin m'a volé, mais non, il faut le mettre derrière les barreaux. Encourager à reprendre la main. Ah bah là, il nous faut quelqu'un qui parle. Hein. Et je pense que ça va être Prism.
Kid's a hustler. I get it.
All right, I'll snitch. Just cut me a deal, okay?
Phase de discrétion, utiliser l'environnement. C'est pas mal, hein.
Sure, your call.
Elle est en méga mobilité, c'est pas mal aussi.
Swift as the night. Sharp as my knife.
Allez, ça va me mettre de la mobilité à mort, là, normalement, en discrétion à mort. Voup, voup, voup. Alors.
How long was the last dispatcher here?
2 days.
De son speech, je suis son bien.
How the fuck did that happen?
I set the scar on fire.
Allez, une petite histoire attachante quand même.
Kia sold.
Ish. Et voilà. Bah, il est content, Sonar. Et du coup... Ah oui, en mode, il faut améliorer... Ah non, non, c'est toujours les deux. C'est ça, je peux l'améliorer lequel, moi? Je peux pas savoir lequel.
Time to freak some fuckers out.
Ah, je l'ai mis sur un du tout, flambeau, miskin. Hein. Il va falloir que je le mette sur un truc quand même. Ah. Il y a beaucoup de voleurs. Éliminer les voleurs, pas les... protéger les... Bah, je suis plus... faire
To get
sortir en
the
silence.
pennies
Hein.
out. Quietly.
No promises. I'm a screamer.
Voilà les boss.
Just, you know, give him a pep talk.
Elle va lui parler. Elle a du charisme et tout.
Talk, all right.
T'es la boss, voilà. T'es la boss, t'es la boss. Évidemment, tu vas lui parler. Voilà, t'es la boss. Et Flambeau, t'es une merde. C'est devenu mon pote, ah ouais, bah, parce que toi t'aimes bien les mecs qui t'harcèlent, toi. C'est un méchant, Flambeau. Mais je vais l'envoyer là, hein. Ah, j'ai pas vu ce qu'elle m'a dit, bon, dommage. Ah, ça va être Flambeau, là.
Yeah, nice try, dude. I'm not going anywhere. Except Granny's.
Ah, mais du coup, je suis obligé que ce soit elle. Ah, vas-y.
Shortcut for this guy's backyard.
C'est pour ça que t'es pote avec Flambeau, bah écoute, c'est bien.
What does that mean?
She's asking for a tap-in. We got access to security cams of SDN subscribers all over our territory.
Wow, really? Is that legal?
Don't ask questions. Just always make sure to read the fine print.
Oh. Robert Robertson. Wesh, Mimi.
Right, I feel like you've said that a lot in your life. What happened?
This is how I found the place. The old guy, who I assume is Granny, was laying here when I walked in. Hey, what's your favorite donut?
Look, can you just focus? What, you got ADHD or something?
Yes, fucker. Is it that obvious?
Yes, fucker, it is.
Well, then answer the question.
No,
Donut glacé, comme un américain.
Just a plain ass glazed donut. You happy?
Not as happy as you with that glaze all over you, huh? You slap that donut around on your face a little before you put it in your mouth, huh?
Yep, you got me. I love gobbling on hot, sloppy donuts. Love them from my mouth to my butt. How's it going? First day. Thanks for asking me that, so you could get all your funny jokes out. Now, can we maybe address the body in the room? What are you doing? You gonna poke it with a stick?
Check his pulse.
Granny's alive. Thank Christ. I didn't want to have to lip this guy. So, can I go now?
Spécial Hanouka!
Let's check. It's a B&E. Let's figure out the perp is still there.
Perp, B&E.
Okay, Lieutenant. Fuck, I can't think of a character from a cop show.
Cool. Well, why don't you stay put and
Stark
work
Huge,
on
Stark
that
Huge.
while I get
Il
another
est doux,
camera
là.
up online.
She's my least favorite. The worst of the lot.
Ah non, non, c'est ma préférée. Il est fou, lui.
He's got similar energy. How do I switch cameras?
Ça se voit, c'est la
Just click
boss.
beside here and you can cycle all the cameras in the building.
It's weird getting tech advice from an old person.
Bro, I'm not even 40 yet.
Weird hearing bro from an old person.
Lieutenant Dan? Is that a thing?
Yes, I am the legless Vietnam vet from Forrest Gump. Sick burn.
Oh no!
Am I doing something wrong? Pushing that button just says access denied.
Ah, damn it. Sometimes people add extra security. They don't understand it just makes it harder for us to do our job.
Hey, what's taking so long? Are you sleeping or something, or are you just bad at your job?
Ah putain, un peu de Python, un peu d'Angular et c'est bon. Hein.
Why does a donut shop even
Exactement ce que tu fais dans ton métier. Oui, ton métier, jouer à Ark Rider. Allez, top. C'est bien comme métier. Pip, pop, pip. Ah non.
This node represents a code to use later. Remember it.
Ah non? Bon, moi j'ai un travail, oui, bon. Caméra pirate, tu... Bon alors, ce qu'on a là... Oh non!
Hey, shut up for a sec, you're not alone.
Il va voler la recette des donuts!
He's coming your way, armed. You need to disappear.
Why are you whispering, you idiot? You're in my ear.
La recette des donuts de Hanouka! Et voilà, pas les notes de Hanouka, voilà. Je viens de copier les blagues. Bam!
Damn it, this bitch is a gusher.
Be careful.
I got this, Lieutenant Dan. Never mind. Got any more great advice?
Baisse-toi! Ish, ish. Wesh, mais mec, quand il va se réveiller, il va péter son crâne. Hein. Oh. Oh.
Invisigo, just hold him off while I find a way to help. I can use the overhead sprinklers to short out his blaster.
Allez, let's go.
Come on, come on, come on.
Come on, come on.
Got him.
Ok, ok. Ah oui, ça c'est bloqué, genre, c'est ça? Ok, c'est pas le bon. Ok. Ah, c'est en mode, c'est le même... Ok. Je suis fou? Ah oui, ok, je suis fou. T'es pas un cœur, ah, regarde, hop là. Système anti-incendie piraté. Je suis pas le boss. Oh la patate. Ah ouais, t'es asthmatique, ça va être dur là, ouais. Mais non, Pépé!
I don't think you know how to use that thing, so why don't you...
Shut the fuck up!
Oh, I'm one of the good guys.
You? Yeah, right. Don't fuck with me, okay? Nobody fucks Granny! Nobody fucks with Granny!
Investigal, stay calm.
Great fucking advice, Lieutenant Dan.
Wow.
Lieutenant Dan, because the joke doesn't work, you just how it does.
J'ai plus aller désarmer mémé quand même. Hein.
Disarm Granny before the thing blows his face off. It looks super unstable.
So your expert opinion is to
attack the client. Fuck that.
I did think your way to turn this shit. I'm taking out the guys trying to kill me.
That wasn't a suggestion, it's a direct...
Ah bah là, mémé, il va tout péter. Alors là, mémé.
Hey, Investigal, you okay? Hey, are you okay? Come in.
I'm fine. But this guy, less fine. Smells like bacon a little. It's gross, but it's also kind of not bad.
Yeah, great. Okay, where's the perp?
Aïe 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 aïe, hein. Les femmes, les femmes, les femmes.
Feels like a win to me.
That was pretty good for first day. Sometimes people, you know, get electrical burns.
She disobeyed a direct order.
Well, that's the problem. This isn't the army, and these ain't soldiers. They're fucking supervillains. Look, why don't you take a breather? We can debrief with Blazer in a bit. Here. There's vending machines in the break room. You look like you could use a snack.
Are you sure you're not actually 80 years old?
Ok, 11-1, ça va, ça va, ça va. Est-ce que j'ai gagné en hockey du café? Oh, de la tchatch. Qui peut être... Je vais lui mettre de la tchatch.
Hey.
Ah, shit.
What kind of superhero flinches? I didn't say which superhero. Chill out.
If you had people trying to kill you for the
Fracasser
last
ce qu'il mange là.
15 years, you'd be jumpy too.
What makes you think my life has been any different? You think growing up surrounded by a bunch of shitbag villains, I didn't need to watch my back?
I can't just disappear, okay? I actually have to face my problems.
What the fuck?
You can't just go around... Ow! Why does he keep screaming?
His name's Sonar.
Yeah, I know what sonar means.
What's up?
Then why are you asking why he keeps screaming?
She was just explaining your, You know what? Never mind. Good shift.
This guy is weird.
Yeah, he is. Look, I actually just came by to celebrate the mission going well. Didn't mean to interrupt your little snack. What, do you need a pre-chew like a little baby bird, bitch?
J'ai pas regardé.
I told Chase what happened. That you disobeyed.
C'est des Twinkies.
Tattled on me?
Tattled? Are you 5? I told him the truth.
Fucking snitched, that's what that is.
You trashed the place. The suspect got away and you got the client hurt. I don't think when he
Ah ouais, j'ai peut-être pas fait le meilleur truc.
ending the day winking at Lefty because you turned his other arm into a pork rind.
Granny would be fine if Granny didn't pick that fucking thing up in the first place. He's just some dumbass trying to be a hero. And don't fucking say it, I know where you're going.
Fact of the matter is that shit didn't need to happen. We could have had an outcome where the client doesn't get fried and we get the perp if you had just fucking listened to me. You ask for help, then I can... What now?
Oh là là, oui. Le shaker à la souris.
Calls, not you.
Here's some advice. You're right at home behind that desk because you're no hero. You were a nerd playing a video game in a suit your daddy built. Now you're a twitchy little bitch turtle without its shell. A real hero puts their ass on the line. A real hero can't just press a button to make their problems disappear.
L'armée, on n'est pas Mechaman.
The suit isn't what made me a superhero. It was how I did my fucking job that made me Mecha Man. Based on what I saw today, you wouldn't last a day as Mecha Man. Because there isn't a mech suit in the universe that'll keep you from being a selfish fucking asshole.
Ouais, alors j'ai pas demandé de mettre tout ça non plus, hein.
Feel bad. Good. Fuck you.
Wesh, oh la patate. Mérité, mérité quand même, hein.
You gonna eat those Twinks?
That's not what they're... You know what? Help yourself.
Ah, la crotte de nez, qui pend.
Happened to your nose?
Vas-y, t'es le taille, ouais.
Here we go.
You have a tissue hanging from your nose, Robert. I was trying to ignore it, but that became impossible.
L'air est sec, l'air est sec.
Soaking in blood.
I get nosebleeds when it's this dry. The air in the office, it's on the dry side.
Is it on the dry side? I'll have facilities look into it. All right, boys. We're here to assess Robert's first shift, and aside from whatever happened here,
C'est grotesque, sinon c'est grotesque. La journée est grotesque,
I was
Robbie.
watching on the monitor. The work you did dispatching. I don't think the Z-Team has ever had a better shift than that.
We just might need to confront the fact that it might be the best they can do. Especially the way the Granny thing went.
Yeah, now the Granny situation, that wasn't ideal. But I've seen so much worse with Invisigal.
Let's be real. She ain't gonna make it.
She's difficult to work with, sure. But I
Non,
see a
non,
lot
non,
of
c'est la
promise
boss, c'est
in
la
her.
boss, c'est la boss.
Really. Even the other Z-Teamers
C'est ma faute, c'est ma faute.
They're afraid of her.
I should have done better. Maybe a couple wires got crossed toward the end there, and I could have been a little more clear with her.
You crossed 0 wires, okay? She crossed them for you.
Ah, c'est moi, c'est moi, c'est moi.
You should be proud. The bar is
My bad, my
very
bad.
low with this group.
Well, it's not low for me. Look, I like to make a joke and keep things light as much as the next person. But when it comes to work, I'm not fucking around here. If you want the Phoenix program to survive, the bar needs to go up.
And how would we do that?
By treating the Z-Team like what they are, a bunch of villains. And leading a supervillain team takes a different approach than a superhero team. I need to be around them. I need them to see I'm all in, and they need to match that energy.
Dis-le, Robert Robertson.
The only kind I know. And based on what I've seen, the only version they'll respond to. I'm not saying everyone will make it. They won't. I'm not saying it won't get spicy. It will. But when it does, I also need you to trust me to handle it. I don't want you stepping in. They need to respect
Mecha
me,
Manager.
even if
Bah
I
ouais,
don't
c'est le
have
boss.
powers.
Okay, we'll do it your way. Monday, we'll get them in a room and introduce them to their new supervillain leader.
I can't promise it'll work. I can only promise that I'll do my best.
Dis-le, Robert.
Fucking way is gonna work, but it'll be way more fun to watch.
Chase, some optimism, please.
God damn it. Yeah, I also promise to do my best.
Allez, vas-y, maintenant, lâche un freestyle.
Hey, kid.
What?
What are you doing?
Yeah.
Oh, le gros pisseur, là, qu'est-ce qu'il veut, là?
I did this. It's weird, because, yeah, I saw this lady, smiling lady, person put a donut on her desk earlier, previously, and it
Bâtard.
was nicely on a napkin, but then she comes back and she just, it's crazy, like, evil mode, and hit,
Pas
smash
cool,
the
pas cool.
same donut.
Ah, d'accord, oui. Merci.
We'll clean it.
What? No.
No, yes, see, I'm SDN's newest,
Il a la dégaine d'être un super méchant, lui.
Helpful janitor.
Okay. Cool.
So, it's my pleases pleasure, and it's my job, which you helped me get. So, thank you. Thank you so much.
Je l'ai offert et t'as été méchant. Hein. J'ai pas été méchant, j'ai été réaliste, rien à voir.
I'm not gonna ask. You headed out?
On peut être gentil, on peut être gentil, mais des fois, il faut savoir serrer les vis.
Thanks, kid.
Welcome to the team, Waterboy.
Yeah, welcome to you. You too.
Aïe, aïe, aïe.
Hey,
Les vis comme le pantalon. Non, les vis Strauss comme le philosophe. Mais bon, c'est pas grave.
Contingent on you fixing the Z-team.
Ça arrive.
I wouldn't do that to you.
That's good to know.
But don't worry about that. I'm just really glad you're here, Robert. I think
Content
we're
d'être
going
ici
to do
aussi.
some great things together.
I'm really glad I'm here too.
Eh ouais.
Actually, there's something I've been meaning to tell
En
you.
quoi encore?
It's a little awkward to mention, but
Ah non, non, pas de date, pas de
since
date,
the
pas de
other
date.
night,
Blonde Blazer.
Wesh.
Are you ready to go? Who is this? I thought I'd cataloged all of your work companions.
Robert.
Comment ça, je pensais avoir fait l'inventaire, wesh.
Boyfriend, and I'm a man. This is our new dispatcher I was telling you about. Robert.
The third Robert Robertson, leader of the Phoenixes. Blonde Blazer told me about you.
Really? Did she, say, I don't know, what came up in
Elle a dit
that
que t'embrassais bien,
She
connard.
said you're a capable, honorable man that truly cares for others.
Bah, tu connais, hein, mec.
Why are you so small?
Hey, come on. You gotta stop asking people that.
The way you spoke of him made him sound impressive. I only seek to understand. I apologize. How was his first day? Was his lack of size and strength an issue?
Aïe, 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 aïe.
It was great. It was a great first day.
That is phenomenal. We should celebrate. Blonde Blazer and I have reservations in Tokyo at a restaurant where the owner dreams of sushi. You should join us. I'm sure they could accommodate one more. Especially a
Non, je dois avoir mon
special
toutou, je dois avoir
occasion
mon
like this.
toutou.
Actually, I gotta get home to my dog. He's very needy.
Oh, of course. And to be responsible for another life is a beautiful thing. Even if that life is a dog.
Oh, je m'en souviendrai, elle m'a dit de pas prendre, hein. Elle a dit non. Wesh, elle a dit I love you là, non? Non? Pas du tout.
He flies a little faster.
It was very nice to meet you, third Robert Robertson.
A pleasure was...
Now, could you step back?
Allez,
The
allez,
power of
dégage
my
ta mère là, il
launch
fait
has
trop le
been
gars.
known to stun small beings. Phenomenal.
Ok. Le single de la meuf qui double prison. Ok, ok, j'aime bien, j'aime bien. Ok, ok, tout le monde a fait un check. Ok, ok. Normal. 32% préfèrent les donuts glacés quand même. Ok, ok. 37% vous avez les sirops, ok. 38% vous avez convaincu les Fightmen de créer un duo. Bah tu connais mec. Ok, 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 ok. Bah c'était lourd. J'ai des bonus. Oh là là, allez, si on va pas regarder les bonus. Allez, merci pour les bonus, mais ça ira pour moi.